Top 5 mind-blowing examples of perfection in nature, art, tech, sports, and design. 1. The symmetry of a snowflake shows nature's flawless geometry, each one uniquely perfect and mesmerizing. 2. The Mona Lisa's mysterious smile is art's ultimate example of timeless, enigmatic perfection. 3. The iPhone's sleek design set the gold standard for perfection in technology and user experience. 4. Usain Bolt's sprinting form redefined athletic perfection, combining power, speed, and grace effortlessly. 5. The Ferrari 250 GTO's curves and engineering represent the pinnacle of perfection in automotive design.